Microsoft Student Day is a day where students can tour the campus.
We worked with Dallas Education Foundation to bring 6 schools on campus. We exposed them to different STEM-related careers and activities.
I would love to see my students become leaders in a corporation such as Microsoft.
It made me think about becoming an engineer.
This experience might help me become a software developer.
I have learned that Copilot, it helps you with creativity and it helps create things that you haven't imagined before.
We take them through hands-on workshop sessions. We have career panels. We let them talk and engage with us, the employees at Microsoft, so they can understand what we do here.
It has been fun. It has been a great experience.
The Dallas Education Foundation has supported Next Step initiative here at Microsoft by first and foremost just being a great partner and helping us fund these events, and so that we can continue to do this, each and every year to bring resources to Dallas ISD.
Thank you, Microsoft Next Step Initiative, for partnering with the Dallas Education Foundation to bring this amazing experience to our students.
Thank you, Microsoft Next Step Initiative.
Thank you, Microsoft.
Thank you, Microsoft,
For supporting Dallas ISD students like me.
Please support the Dallas Education Foundation.
And together we will accelerate student success.